Let's talk about electrician pay in Tunisia. The average salary of an electrician in Tunisia is 3,600 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, your take-home pay drops to $3,000, which leaves you with roughly $250 a month in net income. While that is the nationwide average electrician income, you will usually bring home noticeably more in bigger cities. So an electrician's salary in Tunisia's largest city of Tunis reaches $3,600 after tax. On top of that, cost of living outside the major urban centers is substantially lower, which is why working in smaller towns can still work out well. When you start out, your entry-level average electrician pay sits well below these figures, but wages go up quickly during your first few years. After that, progress slows down unless you take on a supervisory role or earn higher credentials. Holding a university degree makes a huge difference to electrician wages because it opens up better options. On top of that, having higher education helps you move into higher paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager, which substantially increases how much does an electrician make in Tunisia. Finally, developing a rare technical skill or choosing a high-demand industry adds up to much higher earnings overall.